Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable with paneer. First, let's prepare our ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of paneer, cut into 1-inch cubes. Gather your favorite mixed vegetables like carrots, peas, and bell peppers. Also, finely chop 1 large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, and 3 garlic cloves. Don't forget to prepare 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. This careful preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's build the flavor base for our dish. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful light golden brown. Finally, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. It's time to add more flavor and the star vegetables. First, add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook them until they soften and release their juices, about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder, mixing well. Add your prepared mixed vegetables and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, pour in 1/2 cup of water and simmer until the vegetables are tender. For the grand finale, let's add the paneer. Gently incorporate the paneer cubes into the simmering vegetable mixture. Mix everything well, ensuring the paneer is coated with the delicious gravy, and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. To finish, garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro and a pinch of garam masala for an aromatic touch. Serve your flavorful mixed vegetable with paneer hot, perhaps with some warm roti or steamed rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.